Don't forget about South Korea. They are a good importing country too. So a lot of farmers have been reaching out to me and asking about the probability of exporting their crops and products to countries like China. Now I told them why, although China is a good country, a great country, why are you only concentrating on China when there are other countries, importing countries that you can also do business with? And for example is one good example is South Korea. Now, South Korea is a first world country, and they have the capital to purchase and order from your farms, and they are also a good business partner. They're credible, they're honest, and they're long-term partners. Okay. For example, in Asia, South Korea orders a lot of banana or plantain because they have this product where they join the milk and banana. It's a very popular commodity in their country. They order cocoa, cacao in different countries, and a lot more. Okay, so we have we are connecting with some Korean importers about our crops that we're doing here in Asia, but that doesn't mean Africa is excluded. Feel free to send me a message about what type of crops do you want to export in Korea, because Korea is known for beauty products. They're very much into it, and they're looking for example, avocado oil or cassava and stuff like that, and that will really be beneficial for them because South Korea is a they're very much into image, not just the celebrities but also the regular common people, and they don't mind spending money just for the sake of beautifying their faces, their skin, and stuff like that. Okay, so again, don't forget about Korea. There's so much things to do and benefit from that particular country.